So, Tashina Gonzalez here from Vida Activa, and I am exclusively talking to my friends from South Africa. So, if you're not from South Africa, this particular live is not going to be for you. Um, I do know that everyone in South Africa currently are asleep, but I want to make sure I got this information out as soon as possible. However, some of the things I'm going to talk about, we do obviously have the products in the US, so you could always learn what to do with those particular products, and we do have deals going on in the US as well. So as usual, as you rewatch this, then hashtag replay or tell me where you are tuning in from. But again, what I want to share with you guys today was the launch in South Africa of our amazing health and wellness company, and my sister was there and she sent pictures, and I'm so excited. And so I was kind of celebrating here as well, because these earrings right here that say Black Diamond are actually from South Africa, from when my parents went there for an international religious assembly. So there's an official launch, so they are open now in South Africa, and you can get a premium starter kit, and now you don't have to worry about all of the import fees. And so I want to share with you guys what you would get in the South Africa premium starter kit, which is 10% off through the end of this month, so through the 31st. So things that you would get in your South Africa premium starter kit. So of course you're going to get Thieves. Thieves comes in every single kit because this is our signature blend. We do so much with it when it comes to our cleaning products. It is very soothing. You're going to want to put this into your diffuser right now. Yours is going to be colored red. It's not going to be this white one, what I saw from the kit in the picture that my sister sent. But Thieves has clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary. And had been traditionally used, and it is based on the legend of 14th century thieves, spice merchants that used some combination close to this that robbed the dead and dying and did not get the plague back in the 14th, 15th century. And so it is imperative to every single person has this in their house. And this season, and during the season, it's like the smell of the season with the cinnamon and the clove and everything. Anyways, you'll also get in your South Africa premium starter kit lemon. Again, yours is going to be yellow. It's not going to be this white one. This is the one that you would get in the US. And citrus oils equal happy. You put lemon or another citrus oil in your diffuser in the morning. You started 30 minutes before your kids are about to wake up, and they're going to feel awake, alert, and happy. You're also going to get in your South Africa premium starter kit orange. So orange is another one. So you can try mixing the orange and lemon. But just think about in the morning, when you, here in the United States, when you open up that orange juice and that whiff comes to you, like that feeling that you get is right here in this bottle, and you can get that every morning in your diffuser with orange. So orange is going to come in your South Africa premium starter kit. Another thing that's going to come is lavender. Everyone already knows and loves lavender. When they think of aromatherapy, they think of lavender. So lavender is going to come in your South Africa premium starter kit. Lavender has been traditionally known for relaxing. It's also it's just soothing overall. Soothing for your skin, soothing for your mind. And you're going to want to put this in your diffuser every single night. Another oil that you'll get in your South Africa premium starter kit is peppermint. So peppermint is just super refreshing. You can actually rub this on for that hot cooling sensation. You may have to dilute it in the beginning. It will help energize you and wake you up. And individuals also use it, rubbing it on their stomach, even to soothe their stomach as well. So peppermint is also going to come in your South Africa premium starter kit. Another one that you're going to get in your South Africa premium starter kit is purification. Purification is just such a lovely blend. It's a lovely scent. You're going to want to diffuse this when you're cleaning, or just when you want the air to be freshened, if someone's burnt some food, anything. This is just going to be so lovely and refreshing for you to diffuse. It's going to be one of your favorites. I diffuse this very frequently. Love purification. It has citronella, rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle in it. You're also going to get Valor. Valor is going to come in your South Africa Premium Starter Kit. Valor has black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. So this is one that you're going to want to diffuse. It has some things that can help with concentration and grounding and stability. And this is a fan favorite here in the U.S. So this is one that you're going to want to probably take with you, maybe rub on for that sense of peace and calming and grounding, and put in your diffuser on a regular basis. So Valor also comes in the South Africa Premium Starter Kit. Now these are not the sizes you're going to get, but these are the ones that I have in my house. So you're also going to get frankincense in your South Africa Premium Starter Kit, but you're going to get the 5 milliliter one, not this big one. And so frankincense has been traditionally used in all types of religious ceremonies. Everyone knows frankincense just from the Bible. So it is super good for concentration. So you're going to want to diffuse this one when you have a lot of work to do at home. Sometimes when you're cleaning and you need to concentrate. If you have any kids, this will help them concentrate. So frankincense is going to come in your South Africa Premium Starter Kit, and you're going to want to diffuse this on a regular basis as well. Again, it's going to be the smaller bottle, the 5 milliliter bottle, so it's going to look more like that. You're also going to get Eucalyptus Radiata in the 5 milliliter bottle. It's going to come in your South Africa Premium Starter Kit. So this is actually super good for just soothing your nasal passages. I love the smell of eucalyptus. Like when you smell it, it's going to be so familiar, at least for us here in the United States. It's in a lot of our blends that are soothing to your respiratory system. And so this is eucalyptus is a very familiar scent, and you're going to want to use that to soothe your nasal passages. You're also going to get citronella. So citronella is one usually individuals use. Again, it was the first ingredient actually in purification. And so it's one that people will blend on to enjoy the outdoors on a regular basis without any irritations. And then the last one that you're going to get is Stress Away. Don't know where a bottle of Stress Away is right now, but Stress Away is going to come in a small green bottle, lighter green bottle, and Stress Away is a lime vanilla scent. It is just fabulous. Every mama, every worker, every person needs to have Stress Away in their life because it does exactly what it says. It takes the stress away. So you're going to love having Stress Away in your South Africa Premium Starter Kit. In addition to that, you will get some Thieves home care products for you to try, because the reason why you need to have essential oils and essential oil infused products in your home is because every essential oil that you're using is another chemical that you're taking out of your home. If you haven't seen my story, please hop on my YouTube channel and look for why I started to share and why I'm a wellness advocate. Because I found out that a lot of the issues that we have, a lot of things that are happening to us, increased risks of cancer, increased risks of autism, respiratory issues, higher incidence of allergies, have to do with the things that we are rubbing on our body, that we are inhaling, and that we are ingesting. And if we can minimize the toxins that we're having coming into our home, then we can reduce the incidences of those occurrences in our lives. So these are what you're going to order your second month after you get your premium starter kit. We have some home care products for you to get. And then you also are going to get our amazing Ninja Red supplement. So this actually is a very high antioxidant drink. This comes in. And so this actually it's based on the Ninja Wolfberry, which basically is goji berries. Google the benefits of goji berries. It also is infused with essential oils. And ingesting your essential oils oxygenates your cells And so again, we talked about getting some of those toxins out. So an antioxidant is going to give you more oxygen and get some of those toxins out for you as well. So this comes in all the kits and will come in the South Africa Premium Starter Kit. And of course, no kit is complete without a diffuser. So you'll get a diffuser with your South Africa Premium Starter Kit. So again, that is what I want to share with you guys. South Africa is launched. They have a beautiful experience center. From here in 2020, it's going to depend on the rest of the countries, how much volume they're generating, but eventually, probably starting in March, they will start doing tours in some of the other countries. I know we got a lot of activity in Nigeria. We have a lot of activity in Uganda. We personally have team member in Kenya and some interest there. So stay tuned for all of that additional information as we continue to grow all of our teams in Africa. We're going to stay as plugged in as possible. That's why my sister went to South Africa to get this for you guys. All the information needs to be plugged in. And with that, I am going to close this out and I will put my link in the bottom. So again, this is specifically for my friends in South Africa. So if you have any questions or concerns, please do DM me. And if someone has shared this video with you, get back with them. But there are still deals going on for the US as well. And a lot of the things that I mentioned, about 60% of the things I mentioned, are in the US kit. So if you have any questions about that, you can also hit me up. With that, I'm going to close this out. As usual, thank you for joining me. Hop on my YouTube and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And I thank you guys. Have an amazing evening. Bye.